3 seconds. The present miscellaneous case arises out of an application filed under Order 9, Rule 13 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for setting aside an ex parte decree passed in suit number 112 of 2024. The petitioner submits that he was prevented by sufficient cause from appearing before the court on the date fixed, and therefore the decree is liable to be set aside. The petitioner's case is that due to sudden illness and hospitalization in December 2024, he could not appear on the scheduled hearing. He contends that he had duly informed his counsel, but due to miscommunication, the counsel also failed to attend, which resulted in the ex parte decree being passed on 5/1/2025. The respondent contested the petition by filing a counter affidavit. It is urged that the petitioner has deliberately avoided the proceedings, and the plea of illness is a mere afterthought. The respondent contends that the decree has attained finality and the application deserves dismissal. On the basis of pleadings, the issue framed is whether the petitioner has shown sufficient cause for his non-appearance and is entitled to have the ex parte decree set aside. The petitioner produced medical records, discharge summary, and oral testimony. The documents appear genuine and unshaken in cross-examination. The respondent has not laid any convincing evidence to disprove the illness. The settled law is that courts should adopt a liberal approach in matters of setting aside ex parte decree to advance substantial justice unless gross negligence or malified conduct is proved. Considering the facts, this court finds that the petitioner has satisfactorily explained his absence. Interests of justice require that the matter be heard on merits rather than decided ex parte. The miscellaneous petition is allowed. The ex parte decree dated 5/1/2025 in suit number 112 of 2024 is set aside. The suit is restored to its original file for hearing on merits. Parties are directed to appear on 10/8/2025.